We are looking for a circular waterfall trail, 12 minutes from San Sebastian on the outskirts of Madrid. 3 more waterfalls to be ticked off. We just got to find the start of it really. It doesn't look like the start of anything, but
we're lost already.
We're on the marker, I think.
Is it this way? How long have we been here? A few days.
5 days.
And it's the warmest morning so far, and it's about 0.
Yeah, just above freezing. This is the best day we've picked to do this.
Because at least it's bright.
That's right, blue sky. It's been about -4 to -7 in the mornings.
And there's even been snow.
Yeah.
And it's Madrid, oh my goodness. You just don't imagine it, do you? Madrid, one of the hottest cities in Europe, I should think.
But it seems like a nice route so far.
It does.
We're on a nice path in the forest. There's no markers is the only issue.
No.
So
the only thing we're going by is we're on a path and we're sort of following the river, aren't we?
yeah. It's opened out a bit.
Yeah. We're still near the river, aren't we? Just there. So it feels like we're still on a trail. It's nice to have the sun, isn't it?
Yeah. It's misty and cloudy all day. So we've reached our first waterfall. Cascade Becerra.
Nice.
How do you say it?
No.
But we found it.
Wonder if we could get a better view over there. Oh, that's much nicer.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks quite pretty.
Full of what?
Yeah. I like the way it splashes on that tree trunk.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Look at this.
Might be that one, I don't know.
Oh.
So far, you can't really get lost.
No, it's easy path.
Which is pretty good. There's at least one more to go.
Come out onto a sort of gravel road now, hoping that we can rejoin the path for the waterfalls. There is one more on the map, isn't there?
Yeah,
a named waterfall.
Not sure now, are we?
It doesn't look at all similar to what we've been on. But
we definitely had markings and everything.
We did, yeah.
First bit.
On the map it looks like we have to cross over the river again, so we're coming up to the river now.
Rejoin the track.
And now it looks like we are rejoining the path down some little stairs. it isn't extremely well marked, is it? But now we're on a path again.
Search continues.
What's that? Oh, maybe this is it.
Yeah. It looks like it's in front.
Oh, look.
So I'm going to pretty much guess that's it. I don't know how near you can get,
No.
because it looks like there's nowhere else to go.
Oh,
Scrambling around the
look.
block. Oh,
There's
this-
little
yeah.
mini steps.
Maybe this is the way.
These are very cute, aren't they?
Just coming down loads of steep steps. And the waterfall is right in front. Looks pretty epic.
Yeah, of course.
Ah. Look at that. We can actually get close. Yeah. We made it to the end of the trail. We found it eventually. Not the greatest of marked trails, but we found it. Thanks to Google Maps, really. Following
Yeah.
a path which looks like you might have gone near it.
That's right.
Yeah.
And there's a pretty nice waterfall at the end. We'll put the name here and the number. And I think we're going to head back the same way, aren't we?
Yeah, we'll go back the same way. Took about an hour to get here, so probably another 45 minutes to an hour back.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a nice trail, and it would be nice to do any time of the year, I suppose.
yeah.
It's trees for shade if it was hotter, so.
And this last waterfall is definitely worth getting to. So,
Yeah, definitely.
definitely worth seeing. Hit the like button. We are searching for waterfalls. And subscribe for more full-time travel content.
We'll see you in a minute.